Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 502 IPO. It's a really interesting problem. So they have created this whole play over here in which Leetcode is starting its IPO, and before releasing the IPO they can perform K distinct projects to maximize the value, to maximize the per share value. And we will get two arrays, profits and capital. Profits will basically represent the profit which we will get after completing a job at ith index. Capital is the expense which we'll pay to complete a job at index I. K is the number of distinct jobs which we can complete before the IPO, and W is the working capital. So what we're going to do is we're going to just simply club both these areas out and we will just sort on the basis of capital. Okay, once we do this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maintain a heap map or a heap, sorry, to it's gonna be in max heap, by the way, in which I will just start putting in all the jobs which I can do. So what does that mean? For example, at initial index, I had working capital of 0, so I could have just picked the single job, right? And I would have received a profit of $1, let's say. Okay, so now my working capital is 1. I will check in the capital what all jobs I can pick next. I will put in all those jobs in the max heap on the basis of their profits, and each time, like k number of times instead, k number of times I'm gonna pick the jobs which are gonna give me the maximum profit. So let's move forward to solution and I'll explain you what exactly we are going to do on the go. Oh, okay. So there is a edge case scenario which I want to handle first, and it might will, optimize our code a bit. So let's say if my working capital is greater than maximum of the capital, like the array which we have received, maximum is greater than the maximum of whatever capitals we have received. If this is the scenario, what I want to do is I want to return W plus sum of what we want to do. We want to pick n largest from profits, right? So n largest is a default method provided by Python in which you can pick key elements from profits. Okay, this is it. Next, let's move to the main coding part where we do the major operations. First is I want to check how many elements are there in profits or capital. Like you can use any. Okay. Next is I wanted to club my profit and capitals, right? So to do that, what I'll be doing, I'll be just zipping that with capital. Sorry, I want to zip my capital and profits. Okay. Once this is done, we discussed that I wanted to sort that on the basis of capital, right? So we can just simply do that using projects.sort. This will do the job. Okay, cool. Next thing is we wanted a max heap to store all the profits which I can pick in the next go, right? So to do that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a heap, right? And I'll tell you how exactly we will be updating this. Next is a pointer which I want to keep as well, so that we are aware that how many jobs or till where we have completed our process yet. Okay, once this is done, I just simply run a loop in K. Basically, I want to pick K elements. Now, why? My pointer is less than L. So basically, I just don't overflow the elements. Okay, I'm putting in this condition. There will be another condition in which I want to check if the working capital of the current project is less than the working capital we have. Okay, so projects of current pointer and 0 should be less than or equal to the working capital we have. If this is the case, I can just simply push in. I can push in queue. Okay, and what I want to push is the value at first index because we have put in profits at 1, right? So by default, heap push keeps a or creates a min heap, right? But we wanted to have a max heap, right? So to do that, what we'll be doing is I'll be just putting in a negative sign over here. We'll just negating it. Okay. And as it's done, I want to increment my pointer as well. Okay, it's done. If there is no elements in the queue or in the heap, if not queue, I just want to break. This is it. And we wanted to, we also want to extract the profits as well. So W plus, basically we have negated the profit over here. That's why we are using heap prop. And at the last, simple, just return your working capital item. This is it. Let's check out the test cases. Okay, there's some issue. Output 0. No worries. Let's see. 0. Q was this. That is fine. Looks good. Okay. So this was the issue. Like I just, copy pasted the same thing. So the test cases are clear. Let's submit for further evaluation. Awesome. So the solution got accepted and we performed really well. Like we outperformed 97.5% of the submitted solution. So yeah. Thanks again guys for watching the video and stay tuned with the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.